Kani ketika pati CCTV.
Kakan hun menteri keblai kendo next step kakaknyo trek naiwing kala Shim karai bat penbana ba nadu snam batmai katau snam arajar khatnyo ka ar pasau trek uno pra kandai kesingi juti bat kisi uyayong kandai kesingi long tre yakni la pentep do menteri rang ba kajelau Dr. Mukul Sangma habakaran sekilat pathai kabor.
The proposal, which was slightly different from last year's list of holidays, and this otherwise is same as last year, where under general holidays including Sundays and Saturdays we have 23 days of holidays, and under the negotiable instrument act there are 21 days of holidays, which includes 24th of December instead of the 1st April the year closing bank account. We will have, that means 24th December as the holiday instead of the 1st April. And there are restricted holidays including Saturdays and Sundays totaling 11. You are aware that the commitment of the government was to ensure that every village is electrified and every household is electrified. Therefore, the Rajiv Gandhi Gramin Vidyutikaran Yojana was initiated. This Rajiv Gandhi Gramin Vidyutikaran Yojana has now been replaced and subsumed since December 2014 into this DDUGJY, Din Dayal Upadhyaya Gram Jyoti Yojana. So under this program, all those remaining villages which were not covered earlier, unelectrified villages, will be covered. And also, while implementing RGGY, some new habitations have come up along those electrified villages. They will be covered. And for these, the funding pattern is 85, which will come from Government of India. 15% has to be contributed by the state government, and accordingly, the tripartite agreement has to be signed. There is a prescribed amount by the bonded students after completion. If they don't join government service, then they are to refund that bond money. That's a policy that has been followed for since the bond issue, and for those doctors, bonded students who ultimately become professionals, if they don't join, that policy of making them refund came only very late. And once they pay, then they will continue to work wherever they are. The reason is that the whole demand-supply gap in as far as medical professional is concerned is the biggest challenge in this country. We have number of medical institutions and establishments which has not been utilized to provide medical education. We have taken up with Government of India. Now look at the whole assets, infrastructure, facilities created for Negrims. They are still having an induction capacity of only 50 students per year. Whereas this hospital should take 100. Similarly, almost everywhere. So the idea is that, okay, take advantage of our existing medical infrastructure, top up with few more other whatever are required to convert them into, upgrade them into medical colleges. So that is what is required.
Kani ketika pati CCTV.